This is the new setup right here.
I'm gonna test it out, see if it works. Some SPX calls here, as you can see here, my orders. I'm gonna go over them with you guys as well too, of course, all the time. So I decided, you know what, let me enter some calls here. Missed out on an extra $100.
This is the new setup right here. Still missing one more screen, unfortunately.
Try to run these HDMIs right here, but these ones did not work to try to run dual monitors, but unfortunately it just doesn't work. So hopefully it comes in today. I'm gonna show you guys what I took today. It's been a while. Hopefully when I edit up this video in the CapCut editor, it actually ends up working. But this package just came right now. I'm gonna test it out, see if it works, and hopefully we can get that monitor running up. But we got a nice long desk here, way better for the foot space, and it just makes it look a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna try to set this one up. Hopefully it works for that. And I'm gonna show you guys my trades I took today. So I know it's been a while since I dropped some vlogs, but we will talk a little bit about what's been going on since, of course, you guys saw my last video about, so I have dropped some shorts at least, but you guys saw my last video about me explaining how the CapCut editor is not really going too hot. So we haven't dropped a Friday video or a Monday video, and today, we might not even dropped a video all last week, I believe. But today's Monday, it is the 30th, 2 days before New Year's. Only 2 more days left in the stock market. I did try to take some SPX calls here, as you can see here, my orders. I'm gonna go over them with you guys as well too, of course, all the time. So I was able to capture a nice $100 off SPX, off some calls, and then it took a, let me see how much was, $95 loss on SPX. So now I'm down, so now I'm only up $5 on the day. Here's my P&L right here, $5 on the day. Here are my contracts. You guys can see we bought one of them for $450, sold at $550, which was the $100 gain, 2-minute trade. And then the next trade was over 12 minutes, got in for $245, sold at $150, so that was a $95 loss, which puts us at only $5 up on the day. And you guys can see, this is not a screenshot. This is my real live P&L. Every time we always show you guys that. This is what we took on SPX. So I took calls on the breakout of this candle here. Reason why is because we get a nice breakout at this level, then it comes back down. I try to catch a retest, but I was being a puss for like 3 times. 3 times it came down. These contracts dipped to 430, 450, and kept pumping to 600, 450, 600, 450, 600. So I missed out on that. Then I waited for it to consolidate a little bit. Long wicks to downside, indicating that buyers stepping in. Spies breaking above low of yesterday, which makes it real strong too. So I decided, you know what, let me enter some calls here. And we did enter some calls, got a nice break to the upside. Missed out on an extra $100 if I would have just held for an extra 30 seconds to a minute, but it is what it is. Took a nice gain on the first trade. Then we try to re-enter again, guys. Here, look at this nice bullish flag breakout to the upside. Gets a nice push. We enter off this candle here. See 15%. We saw 15%. So I was up 137 on the day at one point. Then it dips down below 90 EMA, and this is where I messed up at, because I was supposed to cut it below this level here, which would have been a 20% cut. But I let it go down all the way down to 38, negative 37% here on this candle. So that is what sold. That's what ate all my gains. So currently market's not doing much, but I am gonna head out and go shopping at the University Village today. So we're gonna take you guys along too as well. Show you guys what it's like over there if I do see anything to show you guys. If not, we'll just wrap up the video. But this is what the market's doing so far. We kind of pushed up bullish for the whole day as the whole market. Now we're kind of just consolidating here. Let's see what happens, but I don't think we're really going to go any higher. It does look pretty weak so far. Volume's slowing down. Not really much going on, so we're gonna call it there and head out of here real soon. I hope you guys been killing it, and I hope I don't have to drop this video unedited with no cuts, because that would just be horrible. Hope you guys have been killing it, because we've certainly been killing it. I wish I was able to drop a lot of vlogs throughout the week, because my trades have been fire. But if I do see anything worth showing you guys at University Village or worth videoing, then I'll shoot it. But if not, we'll just wrap it up here.